I'm sure you've heard about the coronavirus and the fear this is creating that there potentially will be a recession sooner than expected. How do you prepare for this as a graphic designer? In this video, I'm going to be talking about specific industries that are known to be recession-proof and how those can benefit you as a graphic designer. I'm also going to be telling you some tips that will help you to stand out from other designers and be chosen by these companies for your design services. The first tip that I want to tell you is to over-deliver and how this is such an important and valuable tool for you. You want to take each client and treat them like diamonds. They are your ambassadors, and you want to make sure that they are extremely happy with your services so that they will then go and tell others, and it'll just snowball from there. The second point I want to tell you about is to always up your standards. Continue to learn, become better and better at each of your programs, and always be on the edge of the design trends. Know what other designers are doing that is valuable. Know what bigger companies are looking for. What types of services do you need to perfect? Really hone in on this and you will become more valuable. The third point is to learn about marketing. Your services as a designer are marketing services. And if you understand strategy and surveys and how people think and why do people react a certain way, and really understand the end user of your designs and be able to give this knowledge to your clients, that will set you apart from other designers who may only know the craft of design itself. So this is an important one that you can do courses on, you can read books, you can watch how-to videos. It's endless the amount of resources out there, but this one you should really pay attention to because not everyone is paying attention to it. If you're looking to get more design clients, be sure to check out my downloadable guide, totally free, that will help you to double your design clients when you follow each step. It's in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Now let's talk about industries that are recession-proof. The first one is cosmetics. People always want to look good, no matter what is going on in the world, and they definitely need graphic designers. For package design, websites, promotion, anything of that nature, they need you. The next industry that is recession-proof is the medical profession. People need doctors, people deliver babies. There's always a need for medical doctors, and medical doctors need to get their services known to clients. This includes websites, postcards, brochures, business cards, you name it, they need it. And that's where graphic designers come into play. The next industry is education. This includes local schools, universities, online schools, online homeschool programs. Everybody will continue to get themselves educated. So this is an area where graphic design is needed for websites and other promotional materials. Another industry is startups. They will always need graphic designers to help with their branding, their websites, and all their promotion. And they're not going to stop just because of a recession. Entrepreneurs will always keep going no matter what is going on in the economy. And there's been some very huge businesses that started in a recession. Specifically, Trader Joe's, FedEx, and Disney are just a few of those. Graphic design will always be needed no matter what is going on in the economy. And I'm very interested to know what obstacles you are running into as a designer so that I can address these in future videos. If you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. I'm going to put out one every week, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.